Good morning, students. So, yesterday we were discussing the question and answers of the lesson living and non-living things, and we had already discussed right, true or false, and fill in the blanks. Next, match the following multiple choice questions, and also we have discussed 5 questions. Okay, answer the following questions are there. We have discussed 5 questions from them. Now today we were discussed 4 questions yesterday. Okay, today we will discuss 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 4 questions are there. Okay, so after completion of this, we will start the lesson number 2. Lesson number 2, that is the parts of a plant, in the next class. Okay, today I will tell you only 4 questions. Okay, so what is the 5th question? How does a touch me not plant shows movement? Touch me not plant. Did you hear the name touch me not? It is a plant. When you touch it, it will fold its leaves. Okay, so regarding that, this question is about. What is the question again? How does a touch me not plant show the movement? Okay, see, write down, when you touch the leaves, of touch me not, what will happen? The leaves will fold. The leaves will fold. The leaves will fold. Okay, the leaves will fold in a moment. This is the moment in touch me not. When you touch the leaves of that touch me not plant, it will fold like this. It will fold the leaves in a moment. Okay, so this is the moment in the touch me not plant. Okay, so next one. What is the 6th question? Why do we need to breathe? Why do we need to breathe? Obviously, we need to breathe in order to stay alive. ಯಾಕೆ ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಜೀವಂತಿರಾಕ, in order to stay alive. So why do we need breathe? We need to breathe. We need to breathe in order to stay alive. ಜೀವಂತಿರ, ಅಲೈವ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಜೀವಂತಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That's it. Okay, so the 7th question. What is the 7th question? Explain the features of living things. It's very easy. Already you learned this chapter. Already we discussed about the features of living things, and also we discussed the features of non-living things. So this question is about the features of living things. So tell me, first feature is, we will write, there are many features. Okay, there are many features in living things. We will write any 3. Okay, first one, all living things can grow. Is it? Yes, all living things can grow. All living things can grow. Yes, because it needs food. Okay, it is the first feature. One more feature is all living things can die. ಹೌದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಯ್ತಾವ all living things. Yes, all living things can die. Okay, so one more, all living things can reproduce. Yes, ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು? ರೀಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, can reproduce. These are the some features. Okay, so next, 8th question. What is the 8th question? Do plants also feel? They ask the question, do plants also feel? Yes, plants can also feel. Okay, give an example. So first one question is, do plants also feel? Just say yes or no. Yes, all plants can feel. Oh, yes. All plants can feel. Give one example. Touch me not plant. Yes. When you touch the leaves of that touch me not plant, what it will do? It will fold the leaves. Is it? It means it can feel. Okay. So the example is that touch me not plant. Okay. Touch me not plant. Okay. Yeah, absolutely. Still examples are there, but one is enough. Touch me not plant. Okay. So these are the 8 questions that we have discussed now, and you can see activity zone is there. What is that activity zone? See, in the page number 117, a table is there. What is that table? See, in the first column, some objects are there. In the second object, does it need food? Next, does it need air? Does it need water? Does it reproduce? Okay, some objects are there. You should answer all of them. See, what is the first object? It is a machine. So question another, does it need food? Machine needs food. Yes or no? No. Then write here no. Okay. Next, does it need air? No. Does it need water? Machine needs water. No. Then does it reproduce? No. Okay, because it is a non-living thing. Machine is a non-living thing. Okay. Just write the answer in yes or no. Yes itandre yes bariri, no itandre no bariri. Next one, cycle. Cycle ige food, air, water, reproduce ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ? No. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಬರೀರಿ? No. Okay. What is the third object? Cloud. Okay. So does it need food? No. Does it need water? No. Does it reproduce? No. Everything is no. No barri. Okay. Next, what is that? Rose plant. It is a plant. Rose plant. Then does it need food? Yes. Plant is a living thing, so it needs food. And does it need air? Yes. Right. Yes. Does it need water? Yes. Rose planting water ಬೇಕು? Yes. Then does it produce young ones? It doesn't produce young ones. Okay. Birth ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. But ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? If you take a stem of a rose plant and if you put it in the soil, a new plant will grow. Then write yes. Okay. So it is for homework. Do this table in your home and write the answers in yes or no. Okay. So here this first lesson is completed. In the next class we will start the social science, social studies, lesson number 1, the universe. Okay. So in the next class we will start the social study first lesson that says about the universe. Okay. So for your homework is that table complete ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೋರಿ ಸರಿನಾ? Okay. I will continue in the next class.